Hello traders, the title of the video is why mono wave of WXY Corrective Wave. The WXY wave is a complex corrective wave that is formed after a motive wave. Usually the correction is prolonged, talking about its duration. Things can become very exciting for an Elliott wave trader after W and X mono waves. After those two mono waves, one can easily forecast that there will be another corrective wave, and that is the Y wave. The Y mono wave of WSY is usually a triangle, but not always, because the Elliott wave stated that the W should not be a triangle. As the X mono wave is in fact a trending phase that has failed, it is common that the Y wave is ABCDE corrective triangle. Please do not assume that it will definitely be ABCDE corrective wave. The fact is that it is more likely to be ABCDE Elliott wave, a triangle. And to learn more about the WXY wave, please visit www.24elliottwaves.com. If this tutorial has opened your eyes, please give us the thumbs up. If you are not impressed a bit, then mark it down. Share it on your favorite social media if it has truly made your day. Subscribe to 24 Elliott Wave channel today before it is too late. Subscribe now. Be sure to click on the bell. Happy trading to you all, and I'll speak to you soon. This is about WXY corrective wave and Y mono wave.